and welcome to my YouTube video on how to clean my Midea U-shape air conditioner. As you can see here, it's really dirty. You will need a vacuum here. Use any vacuums, and this brush attachment is perfect to clean all the dirt and stuff that has accumulated, and very carefully without bending the fins or the little things, the metal things. Please tell me in the comments what's the name of those metal sheets. Whatever, as you can see, some of them were already bent. Very carefully, you're gonna need a toothbrush for this one, an old one that you're gonna throw away. Just be careful, very careful, and just keep cleaning away the dirt or dust or whatever. Just keep going, be careful. I couldn't use a vacuum here because I couldn't record and clean at the same time. But if I wasn't recording, I could have just used a vacuum while I used the brush. Then I moved down to the fan using the vacuum this time. Be sure to attach the brush very well so that thing doesn't happen to you. A very well made fan. I'm gonna say it was made with fiberglass filled nylon or some plastic. I think it's nylon, fiberglass filled, for reinforcement. Sturdy AF. Use your brush to clean the areas. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you just want the dirt or the dust to be gone or something. After that, you can see the difference, the before and after. Now we're gonna put it apart. Now we're gonna put it back together. So this is how you assemble it. If you need to disassemble it, you just gotta do it backwards. Because it occurred to me while I was already cleaning the radiator, since I was looking for a tutorial on YouTube and nobody has this, so it occurred to me to clean it. Be sure to be really careful to slide it in. Now this is the control module. I know that inside has a chip to control the motors. There's like a little something, I just don't know how it's called. You gotta go underneath and slide it. You will see what I'm talking about when you remove it. And then these cables have to go in between, I'm gonna say, those little things of plastics right there. I took them out so I can remove the module and remove the fan to clean the radiator. See how I'm pulling it up and putting it on the other side? I thought that was the right way that it goes, but it doesn't. Because when you put this part, it's not gonna wanna close. I'll show you later on the video. Just keep watching what's the correct way. But before that, we need to screw on 2 screws. In the video it's only visible one because the big ass cable is on the way, but that's the other way. When you're standing up, you will see it right away. So it's really useful if you have a Phillips screwdriver with the head magnetized to hold the screws like that. See what I was talking about? You don't see it in the video, but when you're standing up right there, screwing it up, you will see it. These are very easy to screw on. This is what I was talking about. The little cover doesn't want to sit well because the cables were wired in the wrong position. You will see how I fixed. This is the right way to do it. See, so you can press pause, take a screenshot or whatever, and you can do it yourself. Be careful with those cables. Now this cover will go on easily. It just sits there. It doesn't have screws. You just clicks on the little side, on the both sides, and that's it. It's time to screw on the fan. There's one and there's two screws for this one. The other side is a little harder, but with this magnetized screw driver, it's really easy to put it. You just gotta be patient with a steady hand and don't tie it up that much. When I unscrewed them, they weren't that like too tied up. Like maybe the engineers thought, oh, this is really hard for the consumers to remove, so we're just gonna put them just barely tight. It's time for the cover. Goes in with two screws on the side, I think, and one in the middle. That's the one in the middle that you gotta screw in. My bad, there's 4 of them. That's the other 2, left, right, and then the sides. The way you assemble it back on, just do it backwards, and that's how you open it for you to clean it. Okay, that's the side screw, and that's the other one. So it took me a while trying to figure it out, how to clean it. I'm gonna say that I think it's way easier once you know the steps on how to clean it, easier than the regular ones, the regular ACs, the ones that doesn't have the U shape, because in order for you to remove the inner fan, I'm gonna say it's really complicated, because I had a Kenmore one and a Frigidaire one, and it was really hard to remove the cover of the radiator just to clean it. But this one is way easier, way easier. You just gotta know the steps, and once you know the steps, I'm gonna say 45 minutes to 1 hour tops. Yeah, maybe less. And like I said, it occurred to me to upload it to YouTube. I hope this video helps you. If you find it helpful, buy me a coffee. That's my PayPal right there. It's really appreciated. And that's it, pretty much. You screw on the lid all around, and there's 3 more on the top that I couldn't film. I forgot to film while I was trying to rush it because I was hungry. 3 more screws on the top. You gotta use, like, if you have an extra screwdriver, just use it to align the holes so you can screw the top ones. In the video, like I said, you're not gonna be able to see how I screw them on, but I'm gonna show you what I use to screw on the top ones. And after that, that's it. It's just align the holes right there. I use that to align the holes to move to the side like that with the screwdriver, just to align the holes. So and that's the only one. The one in the middle is the only one that needed to do that. But after that, it's done. Thanks for watching.